I'm gonna use a gunk wipe. You guys, this is fun. I did an episode cleaning out the engine bay. I used GUNK engine degreaser and I put them in the title of our actual episode, and they commented and it was super cool. A bunch of you guys commented back and said, sponsor them, send them more stuff, all this nice stuff. And they did. They reached out and they sent us a whole delivery of really awesome product. So we're excited to use it. And one of the things that they just came out with are these hand wipes that you can also use on like degreasing and lots of applications. So we're gonna use them to clean the inside of these valve covers. I'm excited. Let's try out a wipe. Oh, they're soapy. One side is smooth, one side definitely has some grit to it. That's the side I'm gonna use to get this junk off. You can hear how gritty that is. It's actually taking some of the red overspray off too. Cleaning up pretty good, and it's smoothing it out also. Too cool. I like these wipes, Gunk. Thanks everybody for speaking up, and thanks Gunk for following through. Love it.